Hey folks, welcome to DIY Buddy Guy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I hooked up an auxiliary temperature control to my outdoor wood boiler. I'm in my mechanical room right now, and this here is the power cord going out to my wood boiler. Basically what it is, it comes, see the junction box there, and then the white pipes, those are the plumbing, the hot water in and out from the wood boiler. And I could essentially take this and plug it right into a receptacle. But what I did was I picked up this digital temperature controller from Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks. And the cool thing about it is these are my set points. The high temperature, 140, that's when I want it to stop. I want it to start at 135, and this is the actual temperature. Here's the temperature probe. And I'll explain that. But I could plug this directly into a house plug, and on my outdoor wood boiler, there is a thermostat that controls the unit. It's set at 165-ish. Which is fine, but for my application, it's a little too warm. Last year, I ended up having windows open and exhaust fan run, and the house was too hot. So what I wanted to do was lower the water temperature. And what I've also learned is that by lowering the water temperature, obviously I'll use less wood. So instead of loading the stove twice a day, I'm only loading it once a day. So I'm using just about half as much wood as I used to. And the way that I hooked this up was I took this temperature controller, which is 110 volts, and this is actually what's plugged into the receptacle here. And I have my set points. I want my water to be 140 degrees. And when it drops down to 135 degrees, the temperature controller will indicate that it's running. And this is the current water temperature, like I said. So what I did was I took the temperature probe, and I hooked it to my incoming water, which is, it says, it's about 132, 36 degrees, which matches what's up there. But here's a copper fitting. And in this copper fitting, on the back of the temperature probe, I used 2 hose clamps to hold the temperature probe to the copper fitting. And then I put high temperature grease. I actually use ceramic brake grease, which is designed for high temperatures. And I coated the probe and that portion of the pipe because the grease helps to transfer the heat better than just the 2 pieces of metal touching each other. And I held it on with 2 hose clamps and a piece of insulation and some zip ties. And that's how this temperature probe is reading and controlling my temperature. And it's a pretty simple application. I didn't make a video on how to step by step, but if you're crafty, I'm sure you'll figure it out. But I just wanted to offer you a suggestion for an auxiliary temperature control. Thanks for watching.